Rare photos. This building looks like a PS2. This house turned 104, originally a 1920s corner grocery. Hands after 20 minutes in the bath. The left one, paralyzed, has no wrinkles. You can visit the middle of the world at this spot in Ecuador. Architect friends found this beam in an old house in Massachusetts. The date matches the Battle of Bunker Hill. This whole house was relocated in Detroit. Tallest building in the world cutting through a cloud. This light bulb contains 9 smaller light bulbs. Neighbor installed heaters under the public sidewalk. 15 floppy disks for installing Windows 95. This perfectly roasted marshmallow. This little baby was born with 2 thumbs. This wire scorpion a co-worker made. Creative optical illusion on display at a museum. These cats perfectly posing in front of their own portrait. Someone crafted an eagle out of cheese. This woodland-themed birthday cake has an actual campfire. The hotel in Brazil has a remote with a button for instant soccer viewing.